While recording video of the amazing sunset with my iPhone 11 Pro Max mounted on a sturdy tripod, a powerful gust of wind pushed the tripod off the deck onto a pile of large rocks. Please be good, please be good. Broken. The glass screen protector is definitely cracked, but I'm thinking it's just the protector, not the display. At least that's what I hope. I'm going to use some tape here to prevent the shards of glass from getting all over the place. See if I can lift it up with a card. There we go. It's working good. It's not broken.
You're kidding.
Fantastic. The Ailun Glass Screen Protector saved my phone. Now I understand why they include 3 in a pack. The OtterBox case is a little scuffed up, but fortunately I see no damage to the 3 lenses. I'm going to remove the OtterBox case and inspect the phone for damage. Here we go. Looks perfect. One casualty, the plastic smartphone tripod adapter did not survive the fall. This was the combination of protection that saved my phone. Now for a quick test of the phone. Touch screen's working. Looks like the camera's working. All right. 2x. Looking good. I still have a good working camera. Looks like we're good to go. Reinstall the glass screen protector and the GatorBox case.